how to use Facebook's Reels feature. So we have in here our Reels. So this is actually the option for Reels, and you can see in here a lot of video as well as type and more. If you click on Reels right here, you should be able to open the actual Reels homepage, and you should be able to see in here a lot of videos. So if you want, you can head over and then use the Facebook Reels. You can react using this like option. When you long press it, you should be able to add any reaction. Using this right here will also allow you to comment, and you can also share this using the share option and share this to your actual newsfeed. You can also click on the three dots in order to copy it, save it, and a lot more. So if you want to post your own reel, you can head over and then just go to the Reels option, click on this person icon, and then from there, click on this camera icon, and then upload in here a video that is in portrait mode and create the reel through this particular button. So that's how you use Facebook Reels feature. Hope we help.